the brilliant inventors. Are you sitting on a great idea or a thriving business, wondering how to scale it or make more money without doing all the work yourself? Well, today we are diving into two powerful ways to monetize your intellectual property: franchising and licensing. These tools can take your business or creative idea to the next level. Let's get started. Let's start with franchising. Imagine you own a popular coffee shop called Brew Bliss. People love it so much that others want to open their own branches. Instead of opening more shops yourself, you allow them to use your brand name, business model, and training methods for a fee. Here's how it works. Franchisor, you, provides the brand, systems, and support. Franchisee invests in the outlet and operates it under your rules. You earn franchise fees and possibly a share of profits. Franchising is perfect for businesses like restaurants, gyms, and retail chains. Think of giants like McDonald's or Domino's. They grew through franchising. Now, licensing is a bit different. Instead of giving someone your whole business model, you allow them to use specific IP, like a trademark, patent, or creative work. For example, let's say you invented a revolutionary coffee brewing machine. Rather than manufacturing and selling it yourself, you license the design to a big company. They produce it, sell it, and pay you royalties for every sale. Licensing is popular in industries like technology, entertainment, and fashion. Ever seen a Marvel superhero on a lunchbox? That's licensing in action. So, what's the difference between the two? Let's break it down. Control. In franchising, you control how the franchisee operates. In licensing, the licensee has more freedom. Scope. Franchising involves a full business model. Licensing focuses on specific IP. Earnings. Franchising usually includes upfront fees and ongoing royalties. Licensing typically earns you royalties or lump sum payments. Choose the one that fits your business goals and IP type. Let's talk about the perks and pitfalls. Benefits of franchising and licensing. Rapid expansion without huge investments. Steady revenue streams through fees and royalties. Increased brand recognition. Challenges. Franchising requires strict quality control to protect your brand. Licensing can risk misuse of your IP if not managed well. The key is to set clear terms and monitor your partnerships. Ready to take the plunge? Here's a quick roadmap. Protect your IP. File trademarks, patents, or copyrights to secure your rights. Create an agreement. Draft a solid franchising or licensing contract with clear terms. Find partners. Look for franchisees or licensees with a good track record. Set fees. Decide how much you'll charge and how payments will work. Monitor and support. Ensure your IP is used properly and provide necessary support. Pro tip. Work with a legal expert to avoid any legal or financial hiccups. Want inspiration? Look at McDonald's. They've mastered franchising. And Disney? They make billions licensing their characters for toys, games, and more. If they can do it, so can you. Whether you're a small business owner or a creative genius, franchising and licensing could be your ticket to passive income and global growth. Have questions or need tips? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on monetizing your ideas. Until next time, keep innovating.